All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're now about ready to get started with our overall solo competition. There are two divisions. We will start first with the junior division, Tamahine. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, Tamahine, junior division. Here's number 5, number 75, and dancer number 39. Girls, if you could step up a little bit more, step up a little bit more. You can come up a little bit more, a little bit more. That's all right, don't be shy. If that's where you want to start, that's fine. Ladies and gentlemen, here are your contestants. The judges are to pick one for the junior division overall, Tamahine. How about it for the junior division, Tamahine solo finalist? Girls, we ask you to please stand up, face forward, and please make sure the numbers are visible to the judges. Once again, make sure your numbers are visible to the judges. Our Tamahine in the middle, make sure your number is turned around. Judges are to pick one from this group.
Again, we have our Tamahine, number 5, number 75, and number 39. The judges have the hard job of choosing the overall dancer, and each of these are the first place winners in each of their junior categories, A, B, and C.
Number 5 from the ages 4 to 6 category, number 75, I believe from 7 through 9, and number 39 from ages 10 through 12.
We need to see them one more time. Hanaho, Oriho. We're also going to ask you to dance one more time.
Once again, our participants overall junior Tamahine division. Once again, ladies, please stand and face the judges. Once again, make sure that your numbers are visible.
It's not an easy job. They're all first place winners. They're
right.
really good.
Thank you very much, girls. You can now step off to the right of the stage.
Maururu to our Tamahine.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, now moving on to our overall soloists. Overall soloists. Starting with the junior division, Tamahine. Oh, I got 2 drum rolls. Congratulations to dancer number 75 from Kawailehua, Mishka Have.